Negative thinking can be a real downer, but there's a simple solution: affirmations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use positive affirmations to create more positivity in your life. I'll share some of my favorite affirmations and explain how they work. You'll see how easy it is to make affirmations a part of your daily routine, and how they can help you attract more of what you want in life. Affirmations are positive statements or declarations that are intended to influence the subconscious mind and change negative thought patterns. They are often used as a tool for self-improvement, personal development, and motivation. Examples of affirmations include: I am confident and capable. I am worthy of love and happiness, and I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. They can be spoken out loud or written down and repeated regularly, in order to reinforce the desired mindset. Have you ever found yourself saying things like, "I wish I had more confidence," or "I'll be happy when I finally get that promotion"? These phrases may seem harmless, but they can actually be holding you back from reaching your full potential. That's because when we speak or think about our goals in the future tense, it's like we're putting them on a distant pedestal, making them feel unattainable and far away. But what if I told you that by simply shifting the way we talk about our goals, we can bring them closer to reality? That's where affirmations come in. Affirmations are powerful, positive statements that we can use to program our minds and manifest the things we want in our lives. But it's important to use the present tense when crafting your affirmations. This is because when we speak or think in the present tense, it creates a sense of immediacy and urgency, making it feel like we already have what we desire. It's like telling your mind, "This is happening, and it's happening now." For example, instead of saying "I will have more confidence," try saying "I am confident." Instead of "I'll be happy when I get that promotion," try saying "I am grateful for my successful career." These statements may seem small, but they can make a big difference in how you approach your goals and how you perceive yourself. It's like planting a seed in your mind, and with consistent repetition, that seed will grow and bloom into reality. So, start crafting your affirmations today and watch as your life begins to change for the better. So, in short, by using present tense and affirmations, you are telling your mind that the things you desire are already happening, which in turn creates a sense of urgency and immediacy, making it more likely for you to manifest it in reality. This can help you to overcome limiting beliefs and reach your full potential. Another benefit of using present tense in affirmations is that it helps you to focus on the present moment, instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. When you speak or think in the present tense, it brings your attention to the present moment, allowing you to fully engage with your affirmations and the process of manifesting your desires. Furthermore, when you use present tense in affirmations, you are essentially training your brain to believe that the things you desire are already true. This can help to shift your mindset and perspective, making it easier for you to take action towards achieving your goals. It can also help to increase your motivation and drive, as you start to see your affirmations as a reality, not just a wishful thinking. It's also important to mention that affirmations work best when they are personalized and align with your current beliefs and values. This means that your affirmations should be specific and tailored to your individual needs and goals. For example, if you want to improve your self-confidence, your affirmations should focus on statements that boost your self-esteem and self-worth. In conclusion, affirmations are a powerful tool that can help you to manifest the things you desire in your life. Using present tense in your affirmations can bring a sense of immediacy and urgency, which can help you to focus on the present moment, shift your mindset, increase your motivation and drive, and make it more likely for you to manifest your desires into reality. So, start crafting your present tense affirmations today and watch as your life begins to change for the better. Here is a list of 10 positive affirmations. I am confident and capable. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I choose to focus on the positive. I am grateful for all that I have. I am constantly improving and growing. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people. I trust in my abilities to succeed. I am strong and resilient. I am able to overcome any obstacle. Please note that affirmations are most effective when they are personalized to the individual and align with their current beliefs and values, so you may want to tailor them to your specific needs and goals. Thanks for tuning into this video about the power of using present tense in affirmations. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're now inspired to start crafting your own personalized affirmations. Remember, affirmations are not just empty words, they are powerful tools that can help you to manifest the things you desire in your life. By using present tense, you're telling your mind that the things you want are already happening, and that can make a huge difference in how you approach your goals and how you perceive yourself. So, take some time to think about the things you want to manifest in your life and start crafting your affirmations today. Remember to be specific, personalize them, and make them align with your current beliefs and values. And don't forget to repeat them consistently. The more you repeat them, the more they will become a part of your subconscious mind. And don't forget, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let us know in the comments what kind of affirmations you are going to use. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep manifesting the life of your dreams.